We are back at it. Last episode we put this scene together using Homer from Eden Zero. This time we're going to be using my wave style form of art down in this section. And again, we'll be using Golden's So Flat paints. I was running out of time. So Kelly came in and started helping me clean up some of the concept art and finishing up some of the details.
But using this technique of marking out how wide I want an area to be allows me to do the detailed edge and then pull the tape off, then connect the two sides by just filling in the middle and not having to worry so much. And honestly, it has cut a lot of time off of doing all of this. A lot of time.
And we still have doors and this big wall. I'm not sure what's going to happen there. I know Kelly's putting a piece of cork up there, I think. And then we have this whole other wall where it shares eye space with our main figure. And I don't know what's happening there. But next time we get together, we'll both see what this turns out to be. And thank you for joining us here at Why Paint Pastels. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Check out my website and utilize the links below for any art supplies you might need. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.